Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your password for your Genshin Impact account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in genshin.mihoyo.com and press enter. Make sure that you're logged into your Genshin Impact account. Once you're logged into your account, mouse over to your name at the top right and click on the account button. Now, on this page, go to the left-hand side menu and click on Account Security Settings. Click on the switch button right next to change password. And then you now need to verify your email address. Click the send button and you'll receive a verification code on your email inbox. Make sure to open up the same email inbox that is associated with the account and go through this puzzle first. And then open up your email inbox and click the email from Mihoyo. You'll be sent a verification code in it. Go ahead and copy the code and paste it into the verification text box and click next. Once you verify your email address, you now need to enter a new password for your account. Go ahead and type in the new password you'd want to change to and then type in the password again in the confirm password text box. Finally, click on confirm. Soon after you do that, you'll now be redirected to the login area. Go ahead and type in the new password you just changed to along with your email address in the text box and click login to access to your account. That is how you'll be able to change your Genshin Impact account's password. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.